Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy connects in Upwork using PayPal. If you're a freelancer on Upwork, you know that connects are essential for submitting proposals to job postings, and being able to purchase them quickly through PayPal makes the process seamless and convenient. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can access all your freelancing tools and settings. Now scroll down on your dashboard and look towards the right panel. You'll see an option that says Buy Connects. Click on that to proceed. This will take you to a page specifically designed for purchasing Connects, where you'll be able to choose how many you want to add to your account. On this page, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select the amount of connects you'd like to buy. Click on the drop-down and browse through the available options. Upwork typically offers different bundles, so choose the one that best fits your needs based on how many proposals you plan to submit in the near future. Once you've selected your desired amount, click Buy Connects. This action will move you forward to the payment options screen, where you'll be able to choose how you want to complete the transaction. This is where PayPal comes into play as a fast and secure payment method. From the list of payment options presented, select PayPal. Choosing PayPal is beneficial because it's widely trusted and allows for quick transactions without needing to enter your card details directly into Upwork every time. After selecting PayPal, click Pay with PayPal. This will redirect you to the PayPal login page where you'll need to authenticate your account. Sign into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, PayPal will display the transaction details, including the amount you're about to pay for the connects. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct before proceeding. After confirming the details, look over to the right panel on the PayPal interface and click Buy Connects. This finalizes your purchase and processes the payment through PayPal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction was successful, and the connects will be added to your Upwork account almost immediately. And that's it. You've successfully purchased connects on Upwork using PayPal, making it easier for you to continue applying to jobs and growing your freelance business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.